This video is sponsored by Moose Toys.
KB Mom got us little live pets. My really real puppies.
Kamdenboy, Kyraboo.
KB Dad!
Yes, guys.
KB Mom got us little live pets. My really real puppies.
Did she now?
Can we keep them, please? They look and feel so real with the softest fur, with the sweetest blinking eyes. They even react to our touch.
Okay. Only if you finish your chores and prove you can take care of a puppy.
Deal!
Okay. Go do some chores. Go do some chores.
Cam, you go find a spot to play and feed our new puppies, and I'll go clean our room. Aww, you're such a cutie. Aww, you're so cute. Bye. That should do it. Aww. Here, come feed them. Okay. Come here, please. Here comes the airplane. Cam, can I see your name? They're both named Patches. Here, let's check their birthmark. Mine has a leaf. Mine has a heart. We'll never get Patches mixed up because we have different color collars and different birthmarks. Because mine is pink, my favorite color, and yours is blue, my favorite color.
Hey, guys. How's it going with those little live pets, really real puppies?
It's going great. Patches has over 60 sounds and reactions. And this carrier can even turn into a bed.
Speaking of bedtime, don't you think it's time to put those puppies to sleep?
Yeah, he's sleeping in my arms. Yeah, my puppy's getting tired. Don't worry, baby dad. We got this. Let's turn this carrier into a bed. You're my forever faithful friend. Good night, Patches.
I guess those puppies are really real.
This was an ad for Moose Toys.